Today is our last day of the Mandarava, so we move over to Centara this morning.
It is, we planned like to have like, this is not shitty. We planned to have like a less expensive resort for the first 4 days and then an expensive resort for the last 4 days.
Yeah, yep.
But this ended up being so freaking nice. Like, we're kind of worried because we're like, what if our next resort isn't this nice?
This kind of like set the bar pretty high.
Yeah,
so...
like we thought this was going to be like a 7. This is like a 12.
Yeah.
Like, this resort is
so the next one better come with it.
Better come in clutch.
But it's just kind of hung out and repacked.
Yeah, they have a really good breakfast here. They have literally everything. Right now, we just like cleaned and packed up our whole room and we're getting ready to transfer over the Centara Resort. I think we're...
Alright guys, well we just made it to the second hotel, the Centara. We just got a little bit settled.
The resort. We just got our bags brought up, so we just kind of want to give you a little...
Show you guys
tour.
are ready.
Okay, so when you first walk in, you get the little mini bar situation, the tequila.
Ooh, baby, they
Grant, a black label. Are you kidding? A red label?
I don't think you know what that is.
Is red label better than black label?
None of them are good.
Okay.
You're good.
We have some aloe vera because Grant likes to sunburn a lot.
I do, fish cream.
We have some fancy cups, some tea, some great things over here.
All right.
Now we're gonna come into this area. You have the toilet, if you can see. And then you have a little phone here because me and Grant miss each other in the morning.
Separation anxiety.
Separation anxiety. He will call me every morning. Do we need to fix the lighting?
No, you're good.
Then in here we have just the humble shower to a rainfall storm every morning. Love that. And then
Her
a
favorite
freaking bathtub. I love baths. I take about 3 baths a day when I can. It's not a joke. And I know we're probably not in a drought anymore, but now
the actual view
for your entertainment. So this door, we were just inside of the bathroom. Now we're just showing you that you like open it up when you don't need privacy. And it just kind of is, the whole room becomes one a little bit. Look at our bed! These are, look, it's like
we're on our fake honeymoon.
We're on our fake honeymoon, if anyone's
They asked
wondering.
on the internet itinerary.
What we're celebrating, and I was like, probably our honeymoon.
Yeah, why not? It kind of looks like it. And
we might get married in Thailand, if anyone's wondering. He's gonna say no or not. Anyway, so then you come around the bed. Hello.
She has a specific phone voice.
Yes, yeah, it's really good.
She's so fake sometimes.
Say that one more time.
Say that one more time.
Oh, number 0. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh, just calling to see if the room was great.
Right. It's all right.
You need anything else like champagne or tequila? Well, we have tequila, but anyways. So where I answer the phone, this is like a little desk area. Grant set up a little Bacardi shot because we're about to drink. So yeah, that's like all this stuff. Now is and then this little feature area.
Can see it.
And then watch this.
Alrighty, so we just got lunch and now we're in a tuk-tuk headed to go to the elephant sanctuary right now.
We're gonna go feed elephants. Got my little outfit on for that. And safari girl. Hello.
Looking hot. Feel sunburned. I am.
He burns very easily.
I'm bare skinned.
He's a sensitive child.
Yeah, you can definitely see it. There is the whole scooter brigade right behind us.
And we saw someone die, so we're not there yet.
Yeah. last night. This last dinner.
Look how cute.
We're on the beach.
We got a private. We got a private reservation on the beach.
Gazebo.
We just got our huge. Wow.
Oh.
You get all that in there. Thanks, baby. That's our just big drug. I haven't even tried our calamari. Try it.
I know. Hold on. I've never had.
Do you know what sauce?
Is it? It's
Both?
octopus, right?
Yeah, I think so. Do you like it?
Wow.
Is it different?
That's interesting.
Is it different? Do you want
No,
to
it's actually pretty good.
get me a try? Okay, we just got our oysters. We don't really know how to do this, but I have seen people like squirt the lemon.
So you want me to do that?
Squirt the lemon on one.
I'll get yours.
No, you gotta
It
make.
doesn't look that good.
Well, don't freaking stare at it. Stare at it.
Okay.
Don't bite. Like, do you take like a shot?
Yeah. What? Did you even get like the whole of it? No, you gotta go for the.
This?
Oh, baby, you're biting it. You gotta slurp it. Yeah.
Okay.
I need to see you eat it.
Okay.
Just do it.
Here, I'm just gonna do this and not look at it. No way. There's no way people enjoy these.
Let see that.
That shit. That's a brownie.
Dessert just got here.
I didn't know they had brownies here.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You just want to make
Ooh,
out.
tattoo. In my lip.
No. He got Tivas and he loves them. They're his dandles.
Yes, they are. The walk on water 11s.
Like he thinks he's
The
God.
sacrifice 7s.